Welcome to day 46 of me backtesting my way to success. Let's just see how the first trade goes. Oh my lord in heaven, the first trade was a huge win. And the reasons why I entered were this 4-hour value gap right here to our order block right here, equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high. The liquidity sweep, as you can see right here, it swept this area of liquidity, as you can clearly see, and on a break of structure to the upside I entered. So also right here, this candle, as you can see clearly, broke structure above this, those two candles. Take profits were this area of liquidity, this one, the beginning of this 2-hour fair value gap to the downside, and this area of liquidity, which was the top of the equilibrium. Let's just see how the next trade goes. The next trade was a loss, and the reasons why I entered were this 4-hour fair value gap right here, equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low, and a break of structure in the lower time frames right here. Stop loss was like above this area. This little high made right there, I kind of saw it as, you could say, an area of liquidity, but it's not a real area of liquidity. It's just like there was this I don't know what to call it, but yeah, anyway, I set my stop loss above it, take profits, this area of liquidity, this one, and the one at the bottom. I got stopped out, price just completely went out of this equilibrium box and into an even higher 3-hour fair value gap and order block. What I got wrong, I mean, of course, trading against the bias, but I saw it as a what is it called? A retracement, and the market is kind of going sideways, like it's going down, up, and it's kind of not really going anywhere. I shouldn't have entered because like stop loss was like in the middle of this 1-hour fair value gap, and it's just kind of weird to just set it right there. I guess I lost out because of impatience again. Yeah, so let's just see how the next trade goes. And the next trade was another loss, and the reasons why I entered were this 4-hour fair value gap right here, 4-hour order block, equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low, and a break of structure in the lower time frames right here. Take profit 1 was hit, take profit 2 and 3 were not. I got stopped out in the end. I guess I shouldn't have entered because right here price went out of the order block, and I mean you can see it as a sign that the order block or the confluence in general gets ignored or will get ignored, and the price is going to continue in its direction. And I did not see it as that because I don't know yet if like that's the case, that if price like moves out of the confluence by this much, then it's already mitigated. So I'm not too sure about that yet. I gotta learn that. And today's episode, I mean, only the first trade was really a huge win, and the other trades were both kind of stupid losses, especially the second one. Or yeah, my second trade was a stupid loss, and this trade, yeah, I guess I misread the situation then, because if really price or the confluences get ignored, if price only goes out of their range by this much, then I basically traded off of equilibrium and a break of structure, which was not that smart. So yeah, that's already it for today's episode. We'll see you in the next one.